just a little place I like to go and eat here. They have really good food. It's called Yapa Kitchen, 3173 Holcomb here in the Medical Center. Food is served here by the portion. They do complete takeout dinners. Have a pretty good wine selection here, and they also have wine tastings. If you want to try a new wine, come over here, have a little cup full. They have a real nice selection of sandwiches as well. Of course. One of the few places that carries IBC root beer. They have some pretty nice gourmet desserts. Have a very nice selection of soups, fresh vegetables, fruit bowls. You know those would become morsels that most humans take from mouse droppings and push to the side of your plate? These low slow caper bushes grow like cousins in rich volcanic soil. The caper is one of them green flower. And most of the time when you come in here, you'll probably find this smiling face right here when she's not doing paperwork. She'll be up at the case there serving you. And that would be KC, and she's all shy and stuff like that. You ever see her? Look at her. See, she's all shy and stuff, trying to pretend like she's like really, really busy. And this here would be the proprietor of the location, the world famous.
Over that one.
Yeah, the world famous chef.
How you're going to describe it.
Right, exactly. And I'll end the video here.